Hello guys, I'm Hussein again, and today I want to show you my project on CS50W. And this project is about a Django application that's the Encyclopedia, like Wikipedia or something like that. That you can see the entry pages and edit the content of that, or create a new entry page if it does not exist in the application. So the first thing I want to show you in the application, in the URL bar we can type, and it actually exists. It shows me the Python. If I type an title that is not exist, and you can see the Python title here. So we type here Wiki Anaconda, we search for Anaconda. It is not existing the application. It shows me the requested page was not found. Click here to go back. It's an error message. In the main page or the home page, we can see the all titles here. It shows me the title, and the entry pages are existing in the application. For example, I type on Django, and it shows me the title here, and the contents here. I click on back to home, and the other thing I want to show you is this search bar. For example, I type here Python, and it shows me the Python entry page. And for example, if we search and query here, and it shows me for entry pages, entry titles actually are matches with the query. For example, it shows me this tree in the result page, and we can click on everything I want that, and I back to home actually now. So the other thing we can do in this application, we can create our own new page. It prompts me for a title. For example, I type here JavaScript. This is a test. So we save that, and it shows me the new one, and the title is here, and actually we can see that, and the content is here. We click on back to home, and we can see that. For example, we want to create a thing that is existed, the page that exists with the same title, Python, for example. We click on save, and it shows me an error message that says your entry already exists, and I can't actually create a new entry page with the title Python. So if we come back to the home page, the other thing we can do in each entry page, for example, Git, we can click on the edit page. We can't change the title, but we can change the markdown content. For example, I hear this is a test change. Save it, and it shows me the changes, the new page actually. So I back to home, and the other thing I want to show you is the random page button. Random page button, as you see, it shows you a random entry, and you can see the random entry page. For example, Django, HTML, Python, and my final project, actually the readme file for that, with the title of multitask dictionary, that you can see the video of that in my YouTube channel actually. And so let's back to home from here or here. So this is my application. I hope you enjoyed that, and at last I use the markdown to library to convert markdown content on each entry pages to HTML. I hope you enjoyed that.